Many people want to build cool projects with robot arms and vision systems, but they are expensive. Today, I'll share a budget solution on the $300. First, design the mechanical structure in SolidWorks. Select the motors and reducers. 3D print the main structures. Buy parts and assemble everything. Program the control software. Let's check its capabilities. 500 grams payload capacity. 510 millimeters working radius. Excellent repeatability. It supports PC control and API programming. Curved trajectory motion. Linear trajectory motion. And manual teaching mode. Now let's add vision. First, 3D grasping. For objects with flat surfaces, design a vacuum gripper. Do hand-eye calibration with depth camera. Now we can precisely grasp target objects. Next, 6D grasping. For irregular objects, design a soft gripper with servo motors. Mount the depth camera on the arm end and calibrate again. Use point cloud processing to find optimal grasp poses. The robot adjusts and grabs successfully. We can make it even smarter with VLM and LLM models. As always, all code is open source.